Hey, it's Curt with Inspections Over Coffee, and let's talk marketing materials, some of my favorite stuff. First of all, I will say that marketing materials are no substitute for a strong message. Our message is our 360-degree homebuyer snapshot that we include with every single inspection. This is all based on what the clients want to hear in an inspection company they want to work with. Um, I've seen inspectors say, oh, I spend 6 hours at a house, I only do one house per day, I wear shoe covers, those are all fine. But what I'm going to tell you is that no one's more thorough than we are, period. So this is like the base foundation of all of our marketing, right? Inspections Over Coffee is just a fun, clever name, and it has a great story where it's like, hey, we're going to talk with you. We're a friendlier version of your typical inspector with a big old truck. But this is really the meat, right? We're all drone licensed. We do thermal imaging of the whole house. We provide property history reports and recall reports. We do inspection items that most people don't do. We have snapshot sections that nobody else does. You get actual money from our partner company, and we do bring coffee. If you want to see a little bit behind the curtain, we actually have a whole brand guide that we give you at no charge. So if you did say want to hire, no, let me just back up here. I would not recommend you do what I'm about to say unless you're way down the path of having a hugely successful company. But that being said, if you want to take the logo and you want to do something with it, we have all the fonts that you can download. We have the brand guide. The brand guide is like your actual colors. Let me show you what this means. You can probably, if you're new to this world, you might not have ever seen it, but you have your logos, you have the fonts, you have how they work. If anyone has a design background, they're going to know what this is all about. We have all the colors of our palette, and we have them in all the different types, like whether it's online or hacks, hashtag stuff. Yeah, so you have the whole brand guide here. And then we actually have multiple versions of the logos. So when you partner up with a real estate office and they go, send me a logo, you're like, well, what are you going to use it for? And they go, we're going to put it in email. All right, well, then for email, you're going to use a PNG. Sometimes you use JPEG. And then if you got a thing where they're going to be printing out flyers or posters or billboards, then you send them the EPS because that's the large resolution file. Again, you have a brand guide there, but then it gets really fun. And again, so what you would do there is hypothetically you're down the road and you want to maybe wrap your car. Now it does all need to be approved because we have to make sure that you're using the logos and all of the stuff in the right way. But again, we have all of this built out. We have flyers, we have thank you cards, we have these little signs that we use outside of houses when we're inspecting. And all you have to do is go to our webpage. So we have 2-page flyers, 4-page brochures. We have coupon boxes. I probably should have brought one for this video, but basically it is $1,000, but you get 100 little boxes with coupons in them. And so you could walk into a real estate office and go, hey, can I give your office like $4,000? And they're gonna be like, what? And they're all little $25 coupons for people that wanna work with you. We have the nice business cards, then we have the standard business cards, we have bar coasters. So again, you might have heard me talk about this before, but imagine you go to a happy hour and there's 30 realtors there, but they all kind of know each other. Maybe they're all on teams together, they've known each other for years. It's all a little cliquey and you feel like kind of like the new kid in a new high school, right? We have bar coasters, right? You go to a restaurant, a bar, and they're having cocktails and happy hours. And on the front is our logo. And on the back, we have made it a little fun, right? We want to be on brand. So, hello, this drink belongs to. So if they were to walk away and go to the bathroom and take a phone call outside, watch my drink while I'm arguing with an appraiser, talking to buyer off the ledge, tracking down my pre-qual, booking an awesome inspection or other. So it's a fun way. Now imagine you walk up to that table that has 6 or 8 realtors and you're like, dude, I don't want to be that like weird guy at the bar, right? So now you're like, hey, did you guys want some coasters? And they're fun and they're cute and it's a way to break the ice and at least get in and they think they realize that you're a fun, normal person. So get back to here, and all you have to do to order any of these is just put in what you want to get. When you're brand new, there's like a new franchisee package that you just pay for one time and you get a whole, like almost all of this stuff. And then this gets sent to the franchising company, we put the orders in and it gets all shipped to you. So when it comes to marketing, we've tried to really cover absolutely everything. And again, you have the ability with all the colors and all that stuff to do whatever you need to do with it, and you just have to submit it for approval. What I would tell you is that we have built multiple 6-figure and 7-figure businesses with not even all of this. Some of the stuff is like new in the last month or two. So if you just like, there's no magic bullet with a marketing flyer or any of that stuff. It's all about going out, meeting realtors, sharing the message, and being likable and making sure that they call you on their next inspection. But that being said, this is all here. And if you do have a significant other who is a designer and you've got an idea of something you want to do, awesome. I probably would have a conversation with us because it might be something that we'd be willing to develop and we'd pay for the development of it rather than you having to do it. But again, if you want to do it, you got the logos, you got the fonts, you got the brand guide, you got everything you possibly need. So that's our marketing materials. And I'm stoked for you to get out there and do some marketing and grow your business. Okay, we'll see you on the next one.